Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits Will Travel. We just arrived at a room at the Gaylord National Resort in National Harbor, Maryland, so let's take a look. We stayed at this resort before. It's a beautiful resort. This is a deluxe double room. You can see it's a nice big room, really big, with two beautiful queen-size beds right next to each other. Got a night table in between the beds with a drawer for more storage. And you got US and USB plugs in the wall and in between the beds. And we've got reading lights on both sides of the bed, which are very nice. A very comfortable bed, and this is a huge room. We stayed at another hotel in Washington, D.C. for the 4th of July, and it was much smaller than this. So very spacious. Got a nice big flat screen TV and a credenza dresser with more storage space, nice big drawers. And right here we have a mini fridge. Keep your food or beverages cold while you're here, which is very nice. Got a separate desk with two comfortable chairs. Got more plugs, more US and USB plugs. And one of the best features of the room is this patio or balcony, which is beautiful with two comfortable chairs and a beautiful view of the Atrium, which is huge and gorgeous. You can see an open skylight up above and all the windows looking out over the Potomac River right there. And they have restaurants and bars and other things down below. So just a beautiful resort and a beautiful view and a beautiful day here in Washington, D.C. or just outside Washington, D.C. in National Harbor. Coming back into the room, head over by the door. Got a little coffee maker, which is very nice, and some water bottles and more storage underneath. Nice big full-length mirror, and here's the closet, which is also nice and big. So we've got plenty of hanging space. Got an iron and an ironing board, some extra bedding, a safe for your valuables with plugs inside, or a plug inside, and a luggage rack. So a nice big closet. And then last but not least is the bathroom. Beautiful double vanity, just very nice, and more storage on both sides of the vanity. Great big backlit mirror, which is beautiful. And then a separate bathroom with the facilities, of course, a nice soaking tub, and almost rain shower head, nice big shower head, and amenities there on the wall. So just beautiful. So a double deluxe room at the Gaylord National Resort in National Harbor, Maryland. So when you're ready to book your next sailing out of Baltimore and want to spend some time in the Washington, D.C. area, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.